Hello everyone. Today we'll be studying about the depositional features formed by sea waves. Depositional work done by the sea wave is normally slow and a steady process. When the eroding capacity of the sea wave declines, it material collected by the sea wave is deposited offshore in different shapes and forms. These features are short-lived and are destroyed by erosion work of sea waves. Let's study about the landforms, depositional landforms. Number one is a beach. Sea beach is formed by accumulation of rock material, which can be sand, gravel, and pebble stone on the shore between the low tide level and the coastline. Beaches are formed when sea wave strikes the coast diagonally. When the sea is calm and the velocity of the wind is low, beaches are generally formed. Width of sea beaches varies. Another feature formed is bars. Bars are the ridges of or embankments formed due to deposition work done by the sea waves parallel to shoreline. Development of bars starts with the deposition of sand and gravel on the sea floor. These ridges grow in height when more sediments rise above the sea level. Bars can be formed near to the coast or away from the coast. These are the sandbars formed. Sandbars formed. Another feature formed by the sea wave is spits. Spits, these are the spits. These are those sandbars formed in the way that their one end is attached to the land and the other end projects towards the sea. At times, high speed of the sea waves modifies the shape of the spit and bound them towards the coast. They take the shape of a hook. Another feature formed is the lagoon. This is a lagoon formed when seawater is enclosed between the bar and the coast. It becomes partially enclosed lake. Lagoon has connection with the open sea. A narrow gap between the broad headland, Wemband and Astamundi along the west coast of Kerala are examples of lagoons in India. This is a lagoon. This is the diagram of lagoon. On one side is the bay and this is the headland. The water, it is connected with the sea. Bay. A bay is a body of water partially connected, surrounded by the land. A bay is usually smaller and less enclosed. This is a bay formed. It is less enclosed than the Gulf. Bays are formed when ocean water overflows the coastline. I hope you have found the topic interesting. That's all for the day. Do hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you.